flying change?
Nothing's ever a gimme.
No, nothing's ever a gimme.
I don't think it is so well, no problem, I'll have to practice this.
Yeah. And flex her a little right. Yeah. Made the change. There. Good. Pet her. Good girl. Make a circle. So I want you to work on being able to set her up without her stiffening, and the change was clean. So we're not going to worry too much about it, but you'll see on the tape where you're going to want to go. Change rein E to M. Make sure you set her up. Yeah. Good. A to change. There. Good. And circle. So I think she thought she was done, and she just wasn't quite with it. But that isn't typical. But you know what? As soon as you say something like that, let me tell you, they'll do it. A little bit rounder.
It is the most difficult pattern for the level, according to the testimony.
According to the testimony. And then rising frog. And let her stretch a little bit. And pet her with the left hand. Good. So you're looking for that feeling, even within a lateral exercise, Kira, okay? You could give a little bit, you could lengthen the neck a little bit, and that she would really come through. Now just sit this and feel her back. See how she stiffened a little bit when you sat? Be careful your left leg doesn't slide too far back. Toes together. Push out that trot. Good. Now sit. Relax your lower leg. Nothing should change when you sit. Easier said than done. Right? Good. There you go. And post, and let her stretch a little lower. A little more down. Good girl. What a good girl. So pretty. So you want to know that pole will go below the withers. You can see that the trot definitely gets looser, but you'd like for the pole to go a little bit more down, ideally. What? You went to Starbucks and didn't tell us? What?
Sorry, I wasn't aware.